Hi everyone, I'm Luca Colzi and I'm here as a member of the Grapeswarm team, a multidisciplinary team composed by space engineer students from Politecnico of Milano, Esther, Alessandro and Davide, and forest science students from the University of Padua, me, Luca and Francesco. We are here to push our idea. We believe that our project can help the agricultural sector of the Veneto region, in particular at vineyards level. Our concept is to use 2D and 3D SAR systems through the implementation of a distributed SAR based on CubeSat. We really hope that our idea will be appreciated from the audience, and we are also glad to be here because we trust in the connection from space and agriculture, and we hope that our project can cover this distance from space and ground applications. Thanks everyone.